What's up, Facebook fan, man? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live about real crypto talk on this morning. Give me 1 second. So let's jump right into it. Let's look at the markets. Currently, Bitcoin has broke a new all-time high of $24,470.04. Congratulations to Bitcoin. Ethereum is down 0.1%. XRP up 0.8% over the last hour. This is the last hour that I'm looking at. Litecoin is up 2.4% over the last hour. So let's see who the top winners are or the top gainers are over the past 24 hours. Ripple. Go back and watch my real crypto talk on yesterday, folks, and you will see that we are up. If you took a little hint, you're up 36% on today. If you would have took that trade, you would have entered that dip. That's important, folks. It's important. It's one of the reasons why you really want to join the iCoin Pro family, become a student. It's over 14,000 students that have been learning how to trade these dips and these squeezes and ladder buying strategies and micro profit systems and trade finder systems and all that good stuff. Anyway, you can become a very profitable trader trading those dips. So XRP is up 36% over the past 24 hours. That is insane. Celsius Network is up 18% over the past 24 hours. Theta Network is up 17% over the past 24 hours. Litecoin is up 15% over the last 24 hours, up 21% over the past 7 days. Not bad, folks. Let's look at the top losers. Let's see who can we go shop for. Dollar Set, Dynamic Set Dollar, DSD is down 41%. The Graph down 14%. Empty Set Dollar. What is this? I gotta look into this, see what this is all about. This obviously has a correlation to it. Down 6%. L Run down 5.7%. Avalanche down 1.3%. Let's jump to the news headlines first before we actually get into the news. Top crypto mining hardware to expect in 2021. Livecoin exchange goes offline after Bitcoin price reportedly exceeds $320,000. Jesus Christ. Not this soon, but it's definitely going there, folks. So obviously, let's see. Russian crypto exchange Livecoin claims that it has suffered a carefully planned attack, but some in the community suspect an exit scam. Wow, that's crazy. Interesting news, folks. Bitcoin sets new all-time high of 24,667.63, giving hodlers a Christmas gift. So to all you Bitcoin holders out there, Merry Christmas. Got yourself a Christmas gift on this morning. That's incredible. Bitcoin price delivers 24.5K Christmas gift with another new all-time high. I like this. I like this picture right here. Let me save this, man. Let me save this image. Let me save that image. I love it. I can dig it. I can dig it, man. I can dig it. I can dig it. XRP price just surged 40% in surprise relief rally. Here is why. Look at Ripple. I love it. Look at it, got it. Look at it, got Ripple sitting up there. Insane, folks. Biden and Yellen will crack down on crypto criminal cesspool. Nouriel Roubini says. Exmo hackers withdraw part of stolen funds via Poloniex exchange confirmed. So let's go right into the highlighted news of the day. I got two articles I'm going to read from real quick. Bitcoin just recorded another all-time high. Is 25K incoming? Absolutely. That's just my simple, plain and simple answer. Yes, it's coming. Okay. Add a couple of zeros to that. Add a zero to that. 250K. Possibly a whole nother zero. 2 million. That's man, it's insane. Let's read the news, guys. As the world is celebrating Christmas, the primary cryptocurrency has its own private celebration. Indeed, it does. 2 days ago, following Ripple's SEC lawsuit, it seemed like Bitcoin would rather be testing its prior resistance turned support at 20K before continuing higher. Yesterday's low was 22.7. However, Bitcoin has its own plans. The Bitcoin price had increased $2,000 over the past 2 days, surpassing the previous all-time high from last Sunday set at 24,370 on Bitstamp. As of writing these lines, Bitcoin's daily high, which is the new all-time high, ATH, is 24,660 according to Bitstamp. Together with the new all-time high, Bitcoin is also elevating its pace, dominating the crypto markets. According to CoinMarketCap, the Bitcoin dominance metric is set to 69%, which is the highest level recorded since January 2020. And since we're talking in terms of that, I normally point that out on Real Crypto Talk, but I didn't use their site on today. So the current market cap is $666 billion right now. Bitcoin's dominance is at 68.2% currently, live as we speak, and that's what they're referencing in this particular article. So definitely want to watch that. Keep your eyes on that. BTC support and resistance levels to watch. As Bitcoin price sets another all-time high, the asset is trading in a price discovery zone, which means no serious resistance above based on past performance, which is basically non-existing. So let me see if I can very quickly run to that chart and show you what they mean by that. So I think I currently got some charts marked up. Let's see. That's important to understand when you're trading. Zones. Very, very powerful when you understand that. Yep, I got a couple of zones marked up right now. And it just broke this particular zone here. This is on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to zoom in to the 1 hour. And I'll extend this up so we can get a better look at that. And so this is what we mean by zones. This zone here, the support, this resistance and the support level. And then it broke below within the zone at first. It broke below the zone and created a whole nother support and resistance level zone, and it's trading within the zone. That's what they mean when they say that. And now it's broken above this zone, right back into the support level here. It broke the resistance and made a support. So it's going right back into this range again. And so if you know how to trade again, you know, you want to come over here, man, to the iCoin Pro and become a student with us. We've been a student now 3 years. And if you really want to learn how to trade and become very profitable, get the signals. I mean, there's so many tools that the micro profit system has. It's only $100 a month. You can start for free, get some free training, and you can literally, you know, get some real hardcore stuff for like $9 a month minimum. And if you want to use the tools and systems, it's $99 a month, $100 a month, folks. So yeah, I mean, you can be a very, very profitable trader when you understand what these guys are talking about, the support and resistance levels to watch. That's huge, very important when it comes to trading, okay? So let me read this again. As Bitcoin price set another all-time high, the asset is trading in a price discovery zone, which means no serious resistance above based on past performance, which is basically non-existing. And we don't even have any past performance within these zones because Bitcoin has never hit these levels, these price levels, okay? However, we can assure that the first significant resistance will be the psychological level, okay? That's all you're doing when you're trading markets, folks. You're trading people's emotions, all right? If you understand that, and you master the patterns of people's emotions, you can become very profitable in trading. Okay. Um, the psychological level of 25,000. So that is a psychological level. I mean, 20 grand was the psychological level for years. Um, once it broke in 2017, and so we broke that. So now the next psychological level, not necessarily be a technical level, right? Because Bitcoin does what it wants to do, but psychologically, buyers and sellers are looking within the $25,000 range, and that's what this basically is talking about. So didn't mean to drag it on, but I wanted to go a little bit in depth with that, give you some free tips on your trading, and break down some of these terms that people be talking about, with these psychological levels and resistance and support. What does that mean? Price discovery zones and stuff like that. Anyway, this is followed by the yellow ascending trend line on the daily chart, as can be seen below. Um, the latter is currently around 25.4. Next is the psychological level of 26,000. In case of a price correction, then the first level of support now lies around the previous all-time high from Sunday at 24,370. This is followed by 24,000 and 22.7 Wednesday's low. Total market cap $670 billion. Bitcoin's market cap is 450 billion of that. The dominance is 69.0% at the time of this article, and this is the Bitcoin Bitstamp 1-day chart. And as you can see here, it's insane, folks. Look at that, it's insane, absolutely insane. So let's go to this one real quick, and we'll wrap this thing up. Bitcoin surges to hit new all-time high on Christmas Day. It's a very Merry Christmas for Bitcoin holders as the cryptocurrency surged to an all-time high on Christmas Day. The price of Bitcoin shot up by 5.8% in the past 24 hours, peaking at the 24,644. Bitcoin's price has pulled back slightly. It's currently trading around 24,358 at time of writing. It follows a week in which Bitcoin has plowed through previous records, reaching 24,085 on December 19th. Growing demand for Bitcoin is resulting in its supply crisis. As institutional investors, see, this is the difference between 2017 and now, guys, are buying up huge quantities of the cryptocurrency. In the last week, business intelligence firm MicroStrategy added to its Bitcoin holdings with a $650 million buy, bringing its total to over 70,000 Bitcoin. That is insane, guys. And here he is right here. He says has purchased an additional 29,646 Bitcoins for 650 million at an average price of 29,000. And guys, do you realize that some of these institutions, they're selling their Bitcoins at a premium, 20% premium, 30% premium higher than this price? When all they can simply do is do what this guy has done, go straight to the exchange, and however he's been able to do it, right, buy it in these amounts and not pay a premium. It's crazy what these hedge funds are charging to get into the game, all because of the names and of course, the legalities and the regulated from a regulation standpoint. I get it, but my God, I would not be paying no damn premium for no Bitcoin price. This guy's very smart. He's going to go down as one of the smartest guys in history. Watch, you will see. At that time, the supply of Bitcoin held on exchanges has dropped by 20% since January and just moved into the long-term storage by holders, meaning that there's less available to trade. The supply crisis, as I call it, will have an impact on price, but it doesn't necessarily prevent retail investors or small investors from getting into the space. Glassnode CTO Ralph Kraft told Decrypt. Guys, Merry Christmas. This is huge, exciting times here for crypto. Listen, one last thing. If you don't have a BlockFi account, get you one. The card is coming out soon. you can get 1.5% back on your Bitcoin. Peace.